As you may know, I'm a bit of a music nerd myself, so somebody winning the fantastic music studio home setup worth just over £10,000 this week as BOTB's lifestyle winner is right up my street. Let's try and get Stevie Wright on a video call and give him the good news. Hello, is that Stevie? Hello.
It is, yeah.
How are you?
Well, I'd like your phone call.
Well, thank you for picking up my phone call. I've been texting you a little bit today, trying to get hold of you, so thank you. I know what you said. You've been de-Christmasing your house.
Yeah, that's right. I was just getting rid of all the decorations that were doing me nappering, so I thought I'd better get rid.
I bet. And have you taken the Christmas tree down yet? Because that's
All
usually...
down.
That's all down, because usually that's my first argument that my parents have in the new year is when my dad tries to drag the Christmas tree out of the house and the pine needles go absolutely everywhere.
No, mine's back in the attic. So
Yours is back in the attic. Good stuff. Stevie, good news. You entered into the BOTB lifestyle competition. I'm pleased to say you answered the skilled question correctly, which we'll talk about in a second. And you've also been randomly selected as the winner. You have just won this amazing music studio, the home setup, worth just over 10 grand.
Yeah. Wow.
What was it about this setup that you wanted to play for?
Well, I'm a musician, I'm a guitar player and a singer, and I thought, it would be nice to have, but I was just sat waiting I was working, and I sat waiting, and I thought, let's have a go at that. It's only 60p.
Well, massive congrats. What a prize for 60p.
Wow.
I mean, you've got some amazing bits of kit here. Not only have you got a new iMac, you've also got the new MacBook to go with it. You've got some new monitors, headphones. There's a whole mixing desk over here as well. It's a really cool home setup.
Wow. That's awesome.
So, Steve, you share your name with a famous radio DJ, and obviously you share your music passion as well, because the skilled question, did you know straight away, according to the official charts company, which of these artists has not had a Christmas #1 single in the UK charts? Did you know straight away it was Coldplay? Did you have to do a bit of Googling? Did you guess?
No, I knew, I had an inkling.
Excellent.
And I just double-checked.
You just double-checked, always worth it. Well, well done. Massive congrats. We can obviously order all of that kit for you and send it over your way. So have a lovely new year, and we'll talk to you a bit later.
No worries. Thank you very much, my friend.
Not a problem. Cheers, Steve. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.